A Canadian homeowner loses hundreds of dollars every month because of these 3 thermostat settings. Here's how you can save them. Setting number 1, constant 72 degrees. The first mistake is keeping your thermostat locked at the same temperature all day, every day. Your HVAC is like a marathon runner forced to sprint non-stop. Every degree higher in summer or lower in winter spikes energy use, which quietly inflates your bills. Even letting your house drift a few degrees, like 78 in summer or 68 in winter, can save you hundreds. It's not uncomfortable, it's not smart. What temperature is your thermostat at? Setting number 2, extreme seasonal swings. Now the classic blast the heat in winter and freeze in summer approach. You know the hype, cranking it to 80 degrees in January, then blasting AC to 65 in July. Your HVAC system doesn't respond like magic. It struggles, pulls extra energy, and wears out faster. Like forcing your car from 0 to 120 miles per hour every morning. Yes, it will move, but it will also guzzle fuel and break parts. That's not practical in the longer run for your car. Slow, moderate adjustments over time save energy and stress on the system. So the next time you turn up that thermostat, think about this. Setting number 3, ignoring programmable or smart features. Smart features in our appliances are actually smart in 2026. So leaving your thermostat on auto or programmable settings will definitely save you some money. Modern HVAC systems are designed with your schedule. If you ignore programming or geofencing features, the system runs unnecessarily while no one's home. It's like leaving every light in your house on for weeks just to save the trouble of flipping a switch. A few simple schedule tweaks or smart settings dramatically cut wasted energy while keeping your home comfortable. Instead of treating your thermostat like a wall decoration, try to actually use and monitor it. Every setting tells your HVAC system how hard to work, how much energy to burn, and how fast it ages. So what's your thermostat currently set to? Comment below.